Hello there, I'm your host, Hans Sonnenberg.
Today, I invite you to join me on a journey through time and space as we bridge the gap between the refugee camps of the 1950s and the present day refugee crisis in the USA. As I reflect on my own journey through the refugee camps of the 1950s, memories of the refugees' haven in Lage, Lippe, West Germany flood my mind. It was a place of unexpected beauty, strength, and resilience where individuals from diverse backgrounds came together to support each other and rebuild their lives. Fast forward to today, and we find ourselves amidst a new wave of displaced individuals seeking refuge in the United States. From Ukraine, Russia, and China, they come in search of safety, hope, and the promise of a better future. Their stories resonate with the experiences of those who walked the same path decades ago, navigating uncertainty, adversity, and the longing for a place to call home. Through sharing our past experiences and drawing parallels to the present day refugee challenges, we uncover the universal truths that bind us together as a global community. The lessons learned from the past serve as a guiding light in addressing the complexities of today's refugee crisis, inspiring us to embrace diversity, foster empathy, and create a welcoming environment for all who seek refuge on American shores. As we navigate the complexities of welcoming and integrating refugees into American society, let us remember the stories of resilience and community spirit that have shaped our past. Let us stand together in solidarity, offering support, understanding, and a shared vision of a brighter future for all individuals, regardless of their background or origin. Thank you for joining me on this journey from past to present, where the echoes of the past meet the challenges of the present. Together, we can build a more compassionate and inclusive society that honors them. Thank you for tuning in to my podcast. Don't forget to check out my book on Amazon, Embracing Adversity, A Life Torn and Rebuilt, written by Hans Sonnenberg. There you can delve deeper into my inspiring journey as a refugee seeking freedom and hope. Thank you and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next episode.